Hello, Mama. Happy birthday. You're the best mom. Thank you for taking a lot of care for me.
क्या बात है दिव्या, इसने आते मेले नहीं बोला हैप्पी बर्थडे। हैप्पी बर्थडे दिव्या, हैप्पी बर्थडे।
हैप्पी बर्थडे दिव्या।
हैप्पी बर्थडे दिव्या।
Happy birthday, Resham. Many more to come. Be God with you all the time. Thank you.
Risham, happy birthday. God bless you. Love you.
The first memory of Resham when she was born in Breach Candy Hospital approximately by 10:15, 10:30, and I was there. Her grandmother comes out and says, आपको तीसरी बेटी हुई है. I said she is most welcome, which means after my two daughters Sunita and Kiran, Resham became my daughter, third one, and I welcomed her. That is the first intimation that she is my daughter.
What about her birthday wishes?
I wish her all the best in life. I have always wished her all the best in life. Now also I wish her all the best. She will come out in flying colors as time goes by. All the best, Resham. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Resham. Wish you all the very best. Fondest memory, lots of memories that I have of you and us. Remember wanting to go to the hospital when you were born. Children were only allowed when we were, I think, above 9 years, and we were waiting to go in and see you. We were entranced by the room with the Breach Candy Sea. You trailing behind Suparna and me. You were constantly wanting to sit in and listen to our talks. Our memory of bridal shopping for your trousseau, going to those boutiques, trying on things. Which is the other? Yeah, lots of memories of us cooking together. One particular one is when we did the Lonavala, the Divya cottage house, and we were making the pasta, and we specially asked for cheese, and you especially giggling away in totally contagious laughter. And once you start, you just spark off, and everyone else wants to just giggle around with you. So anyway, wish you the very best in life.
Happy birthday, Resham. I remember when Sunita and I got engaged, we used to come to Worli. I used to come to Worli. I used to see you wearing frocks. Oh, you used to look sexy, huh? Which you still do. Happy birthday. Have a nice time. And Nirmal, please take care of Resham. Bye-bye.
हैप्पी बर्थडे रेशम।
हाँ, वो जो होता है ना हैप्पी वाला, वो तेरे को मुबारक।
You are the best. I love you.
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू हमारा हुआ कबूतर। वी वांट द केक केक केक। यू बेटर गेट इट रेडी, ठीक है? वंस द लॉकडाउन इज ओवर, आई वांट द केक, दैट्स इट. वी वांट द ट्रीट, वी वांट द केक, वी वांट द यमीज, एंड वी वांट टू सी यू. बाय.
Happy birthday, many happy returns of the day.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Divs. Love you. You're my best friend. You're more than a sister to me. I wish you all the best and good luck. God bless you in abundance. I love you, Divs. We'll celebrate this special birthday as soon as this lockdown gets over.
कैसन हो रहे रेशमा रानी? हाँ, बहुत मिस कर रहे हैं तुम्हें बबुआ। तुम्हारे संग बतियाना, सुबह सुबह पे वॉक पे जाना, वो अदिति की फ्री चाय पीना, वो बगल की दुकान का समोसा और मिर्ची खाना। तुम्हार भाई हमको बोला कि सब फॉन्डेस्ट मेमोरी याद करो, हमें तो यही याद है, तुम्हारे साथ पिकअप ड्रॉप करना बच्चों का। कैसे करते होंगे तुम अब सुबह सुबह हमारे बिना? कैसे पूरा टाइम निर्मल को परेशान करती होगी? हमारी तो सुबह ही तुमसे होती थी रेशमा, अब हम क्या करें? कहाँ गए वो दिन? कैसे थे आगे मुझे नहीं पता। That was the lockdown effect. थोड़ा ह्यूमर तो बनता है यार। Wish you a very happy birthday रेशमा। Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear darling रेशमा. Happy birthday to you. Loads and loads of love, happiness, success and everything that you desire. वैसे तो तुझे मैं मिल गई हूँ, पर और कुछ भी चाहिए तो मिल जाए तुझे यार। And thanks for always being there. And you're one of the best things happened to me in JML. And love you loads. And a very tight hug to you from here. मिलके करेंगे. Love you. Love you always. Love you. Love you.
Hi Reshma. Hi Divya. Hi कमीनी. हर एक फ्रेंड कमीना होता है और हम सबसे बड़े कमीने हैं, पर इन कमीनों के बगैर तुझे चलेगा भी नहीं। पूजा ले ले, सिमरन ले ले, डैश डैश डैश, जितने भी तेरे फ्रेंड्स हैं, they are all your pillars. I'm sure we are here to ensure that whenever we want to be with you, we can be with you. We did a lot of masti. Okay, I always used to feel that I'm not a mother of a child, and I'm sure whenever we are meeting, we are like enjoying till core. It's very difficult for me to give such videos because I'm not used to it, so please bear with it. I may not be very good. The more I am good at in person, so remember those times. And the best memory what I had with you is like me walking. Oh sorry, me cycling and you walking, which is always never decided and it's always said. So
Happy birthday, auntie. Enjoy your day.
Hello, Resham Amma. Wish you a very happy birthday. It's hard to believe that I know you for 25 years. Absolutely unbelievable. And I was thinking about some good moments and कुछ भी नहीं साला, तूने इतना टॉर्चर किया है, मैं कुछ भी नहीं सोच पा रहा हूँ 25 साल में कुछ भी अच्छा मोमेंट एंड मेमोरीज आई हैव विथ यू. ऑल आई कैन रिमेंबर इज अ फनी मोमेंट कि डुप्लीकेट मूवी की टिकट्स तूने करवाई थी और स्क्रीन गलत देख ली थी. हम सेकंड रो में आगे बैठ के डुप्लीकेट मूवी देखे हैं, मतलब शायद अंकल आंटी मैं तो सज्जू दीदी, आई डोंट नो ऋषि, कितने लोग थे. सो आई एम स्पीचलेस टू दिस थिंग यार. कुछ तो अच्छा आना चाहिए ना, टू रिमेंबर टू से समथिंग नाइस अबाउट यू. बट अच्छा बर्थडे यार, कुछ तो बोलना पड़ेगा. सो या आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ गुड मेमोरीज विथ यू. लाइक इट्स नोइंग यू फॉर 25 years एंड सच अ वंडरफुल पर्सन यू आर. I think every memory is a golden memory. और you have been a mentor and guide for me. मेरी सारी speeches तू लिखती है, मेरे सारे वो जो कौन से बैंक्स के भी लेटर्स का अंग्रेजी तू ठीक करती है, वो कैब मेरी तूने ठीक करी. And obviously I owe whatever English I'm talking right now to you. So thank you so much. Have a great day, a blessed year and wonderful years ahead. Not only one blessed year and blessed years ahead. Bye, take care. See ya. पार्टी लगेगी और बॉम्बे अड्डा में लगेगी. ऐसे फोकट में सूखा बर्थडे विशेष नहीं चलेगा कि फ्री में सिंधी टाइप से बच गए. सिंधी बनानी चाहिए, बराबर पार्टी लगेगी. ओके, गॉट इट.
हाय रेशम, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. वी विश you happy birthday from all of us in the family here in US. What I remember about our younger days when you were about 5 or less than 5 years old, used to come to my room and stand near the edge of the bed and show me whatever you had in your hand, like a toy or a dress. And it was so nice talking to you. You were so sweet in talking, and you have continued that habit. Even now, you are so sweet in talking with everybody. And we like that. You're so charming and always laughing and kind and happy-go-lucky, carefree. And we wish you all the best from here, that you may have many, many, many more years of a happy life. And we wish to see you again very soon. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Reshu.
My most memorable moment with the Resham was when you were 3 years old and you used to see the lizard on the wall and act like a lizard, and your grandmother and myself, we used to laugh at you. Anyway, happy birthday and happy birthday from your papa also.
भेण कीअं आहियो तव्हांखे जनम ॾींहं जी लख लख वाधायूं अथव। निरान आहियो, तव्हांखे हाथ जोड़ी करे मां विशेस ॾियां थी। Okay, anyway, the formal bit is done. A very, very happy birthday, Resham Di. Hope you have all the joys of life. My most memorable moment with you was our first trip to Lonavala. We had gone to Christmas, where we were listening to those really awesome songs from the 90s, right from Lucky Ali, and you, me and Nishu were really enjoying that. Otherwise also, you have always been and will continue to be my favoritist Narang. So happy birthday once again.
I have a lot of cool memories with Resham. From I think when she was in school and she used to bring that hard candy for me, or when she was in college and she would bring Raju Chinese, or when in the building that chana wala would come and we would like buy that red hot spicy chana and we would like eat in the middle of the night, or make Maggie in the middle of the night, or we would sit and like in one entire summer we managed to finish all 10 seasons of Friends in one go, watching like 3-4 hours every single day. Strangely all food related memories, and that I think you still continue, so I think the fault is yours, right? You still eat in the middle of the night. Anyways, chalo, happy birthday, have a great day and have a great year ahead.
Happy birthday, Grandma! It's better to be over the hill than buried under